Managing data across multiple Google Sheets can get messy, but with EasyAI Bridge, it becomes effortless. You can connect as many Google Sheets or Excel or CSV files in just a few clicks, whether your information is split across separate files, tabs, or CSVs. EasyAI Bridge pulls everything together instantly. So simply, you have to just upload your files. So for example, I will just upload these three and now I just have to let the smart dashboard handle the heavy lifting. As you can see, all the three files are uploaded within seconds, and now I have to ask Smart Ask or Review. So I want to use Smart Ask. I will select all the Excel sheets that I have uploaded, and I will use Smart Ask, and then I will ask it to analyze my data. So I will ask it to analyze. It takes only 15 to 30 seconds to process 3 sheets. That's quite quick. Now, as you can see, it has given me the results of my analysis. You can compare total salaries, total bonus, or whatever is in your file. You can export your chart. You can view it as a table, anything. You can have snapshot of your numbers, and you can have it in a report form or dashboard form. Anything that you like, it will be there. Very easy, very quick, to the point.